Hi, for my brand analysis video, I'm going to be doing the Savannah Bananas, which is an exhibition baseball team out of Savannah, Georgia. In the last, I want to say 6 months, they have really blown up on social media sites. So as you can see, their Twitter is probably their least active social media site. They only have about 151.9 thousand followers. Because they aren't very active on here. A lot of what they do is they repost their content from TikTok. They do pretty much the same thing with their Instagram. As you can see, 1.4 million followers on Instagram. One thing that they've been doing to get traction is they recently produced a documentary with ESPN Plus. It is called Banana Land. It's basically what it's like to be the viewer of the Savannah Bananas. The Savannah Bananas have done really well in getting people to come out to their games because they make it a fun experience for everyone that comes. Now, the main social media site that I'm going to be focusing on is their TikTok. As you can see, they have 5.8 million followers and gathered 144.2 million likes across their total TikTok account. As you can see, the most recent TikToks, so we're going to focus on the most recent 10. This one did really well with 3.5 million views, and I believe it has over 10 million likes. Let's see if I'm right about that. 1.7 million likes. So as you can see, they've done really well on TikTok. So they have this one has 13.5 million views. If you scroll down just a little bit, this one has 3.8 million views, 1.4 million views, 6.1 million views, 9 million views. So in every five TikToks, in every five TikToks, at least 2 to 3 of them have over a million views. They've done really well. And one thing that they have done so great on is keeping up with trends. They do this all the time. They make sure that they are the first to hop on a trend if it's blowing up. Something they also focus on is because they're an exhibition baseball team, they're allowed to do essentially whatever they want. So as you can see in this TikTok, they have put their pitcher on stilts. They basically make the environment of going to baseball games so much more fun because, as we know, baseball can be one of the driest sports you probably will ever watch. It takes so long, but enough about baseball because what this team does so well is, like I said, keeping up with trends. And although TikTok is their most engaged platform, they do really well with views on their other platforms like their Instagram. They gather a lot of likes here as well. So while their Twitter and Instagram are very similar to what their TikTok page is, they make sure that they stay up with every trend that everyone wants to see, and they're able to gather all of those likes and all of those followers and bring more people out to their games. I know people have traveled from far and wide to go see the Savannah Bananas since they've blown up, and I would not be surprised to see this team go even further in the next 6 months as they have just started to blow up. So I will be very curious to see where they are in another 6 months, and I look forward to seeing them when they reach all of the stardom that they rightfully deserve.